Behold, this is the elevator at the Bayberry 26 condos here in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator. It might be Bayberry condos, or maybe it is, yeah? Here it comes. Yep, here's the Delaware. Go up to 4. Brand new, yeah. Now we get to do this about 1, 2, 3, and here we are at 4. Now we go look outside. The view. And over there's Deuce Man Hotel. And that's the Deuce Suites where I used to film. And over there's the towers, but I used to film in Seagate, yeah? Even Hilton as well. Such a nice view this is. Even I can see the 90 bridge from there. Anyways, we're gonna go back down anyway. Different color lanterns on this one. I love it. Put a Jeep. Now we get our cab here. Nice cab. I mean, the floor is not even complete yet. You have to cover it though. Cardboard. Certificates here. Emergency phone button, and the capacity is 300 pounds. Very cheap. And I like those lanterns though. They look nice and sharp. Swatch your clothes. Let's eat. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.